Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday it was slightly surprising performance with this more extended upward action. So yesterday in a report we talked about the possible upward bounce back to somewhere 2330 area, where actually stands the upper border of the channel, but market hasn't stopped there and has moved slightly higher. At the same time, as we said in our report yesterday, that the invalidation point for weekly pattern for the double repo in particular stands relatively far, and from that standpoint, as we said on the 4 time frame chart right there, so from that standpoint market has pretty lot of room to fluctuate around and keeping valid pattern valid, weekly pattern valid. So that's why, as I said, that might be some difficulties with the decision making on but possible taking the short position for those of you who would like to do this. So but today it's important thing that we've got. So on a retail broker chart you do not see it, but if you will take a look at on the COMEX futures, you could see that we potentially could get the bearish grabber. Yes, this session is not closed yet. We need to wait until the end of the session, see where price will be, but for now potentially we could get the bearish grabber, and that might be, well, actually could change everything. Strong upward action mostly stands in relation to the drop of the yield. So if we'll take a look at the 10-year bond, you can see big collapse here on the yields right to the 4.3% yield, and that mostly supported the gold. But the bearish context that we have on the weekly chart and on the daily chart is still valid. So we have bearish trend here, we have the directional bearish pattern on the weekly chart. From that standpoint, this is not yet a reversal from the technical point of view, and we need to stay on guard on this and keep watching what will happen. On the 4 time frame chart, there's nothing really interesting. On the hourly chart, you could see that market has completed both of our targets around this area, and now is moving higher. And here we have two different XOPs. One of them is already completed based on this blue ABCD pattern. This first XOP. Next XOP with this ABCD pattern stands slightly higher, around 2380. Now for a bearish context, it is vital that this XOP will work, because if market will keep going higher right to this level, the bearish grabber that we have right now on the daily chart will not be formed. And from that standpoint of view, the bearish context will be under question. Now we have lots of different events ahead. So it will be central bank meeting, tomorrow it will be payrolls. Here is not clarity yet, so let's wait until the end of the session and see what particular patterns will be formed around the top where potentially grabber might be formed. From all this stuff together, I would suggest to not take any fast decisions. So let's see what market will show around this area. Maybe some bearish patterns start forming together with a grabber on the back. That one might be absolutely different background, much better for considering taking a short position. Because for now, here we have relatively strong acceleration, no clear pattern, no clarity concerning the grabber, and big questions about what particular numbers we will get, as from the central bank, as from the payrolls tomorrow. So that's actually what I think currently in this situation. If grabber will survive market start downward action, so theoretically it might be we can return back to the idea of the possible taking the short position. If not, markets keep going higher. In this case, we will have to watch for this level, and once it will be broken, it means that the weekly pattern will fail, which means that we have bullish directional pattern on the weekly, and this action might become the major continuation on the gold market. So as you can see, bets on the table are really significant. And I think that just wait for today and tomorrow's session and see. This will be not bad decision.